Welcome to day 2 of the goal setting challenge. Now, how did you like it to realize yesterday that it's actually possible for you to achieve what you want? And since you know the price for it, achieving it, it's actually doable. You decided what you wanted and you calculated the cost, right? Awesome. Now you're already ahead of most people. And today we'll be thinking through the benefits of systems over targets and goals. Now, typically when people think of goal setting, they think of setting a goal that they will achieve by a specific time and then working until they reach their target. Now, it's a good thing to have a specific time when to achieve it, and it's good to have a goal, but just this doesn't work very well. And here's why. When you only have an end point in mind, the only time that you actually feel that you have accomplished something is when you finish. But unless it's just a couple of minutes from now that you actually can finish, and then it's not really a goal that you would be proud of achieving, right? You're not going to be happy until you actually reach it. Until then, you feel tension and a sense that you're not going anywhere. So this can quickly lead to disencouragement and burnout, especially if it takes you a while to reach your goal. So rather than picking a specific target or goal, it's way more effective to create systems for yourself on the way. Now, and here's how it works. You have a goal in mind, you've calculated the cost, right? Done and dusted. Then you need to create a system of small, easily repeatable actions that will consistently push you towards your goal. Example, let's say that you wanted to write a 400-page book. That's quite a big goal, quite awesome goal as well, but it might be a little bit overwhelming until you actually create a system. Now, a simple system for this would be, for example, to write 500 words per day, every day at 6:30 a.m. That's it. You could probably do that in around 30 to 60 minutes, depending on your writing speed. And if you followed that system, you would complete your book in just 80 days, 2.5 months. That's actually really fast. Most people spend years on it, also because they don't have systems. And that is the power of you creating one and having one. So small repeatable actions lead to huge results. Now, getting into the action of today. You already know what you want and what the cost is to get there. Now, it's just time to create a system. For example, if you want to get in shape, create a small system for exercising every day. If you want to deepen your relationships, create a system for having one meaningful conversation each and every week. If you want to lose weight, create a simple system for cutting a small number of calories from your daily diet. Something small, something doable. It doesn't have to be complicated, but it does have to be something that is easily repeatable. Not just doable, but repeatable. For some inspiration on this, we're linking a post here to this message. And before we dive in tomorrow, share one of your goals as well as the system that you created for achieving that goal. You can share it on social media and tag me, and I will personally review and respond to every single one. I really look forward to reading those. And tomorrow we're going to be diving into programming your habits. Now, can you feel how you're already miles closer to achieving your goals? I can, and I'll see you tomorrow.